I'm not one of those bloggers that typically does unboxing videos, but I guess I'll go ahead and show you unboxing of this HP MV360. It's a it's an MV360. Let me turn this. MV360 convertible 15m-cn0011dx. Okay. Anyway, I already cut the plastic on. I haven't cut the plastic on this one. I got two of them. I'm taking these to the Philippines. I've got some people, Noemi and Margie, that I'm going to get to help me with my YouTube channel, because I've got over 1,000 videos and I can't even put thumbnails on them myself so bad. So I need some help. So I'm just going to buy them a laptop, and they're kind enough to help me with this stuff. And so we'll figure it out. But anyway, I haven't untaped this one, but I've already cut the tape with my knife here. Cut the tape on this one, but I haven't opened it yet. So I'll open this with you guys and see what's in it. And by the way, I got me a new GoPro 7 limited edition, and I'm going to give this GoPro 7 to Noemi, and I'm going to give my GoPro 5 to Margie. And then I bought a new 4 terabyte WD hard drive here, and I got a bunch of new SD cards. I'm going to give them a bunch of them. And I got a mouse. I don't know if I'm going to give it to Margie or Noemi, one of the two. And anyway, so that's that stuff. And I got them some those are, I'm pretty impressed with this brand, Thule cases. And that mouse I'm going to keep for myself. I'm charging it right now. But that's going to be my mouse, and I'm going to give them my old mouse, which is really an excellent mouse. But so anyway, I opened this box here. And I'm not going to talk to you about, oh, the box this, the box that. It's a box, okay? And this is the computer in the box. Sorry, I've got tripods right here, but I don't got them set up to use. Anyway, the reason I'm taking these out of the box before I take them to the Philippines is because the box is bulkier, and I'm just going to put them in these because I got to take them a case anyway. And I don't know which one I'm going to give which case yet. I don't have any extra hands. So I got the HP for my laptop. It looks just like this, but it's like a different color. But it's the HP Spectre, and it's like an upgraded version of this one. Pretty cool though. Dang, this is all wrapped up. I can't do this one-handed. Okay, so let me show you all the sides of it. I've got one USB regular port, a USB-C port, and an HDMI port, a fingerprint scanner, and a volume control on that side. Nothing on the back. And then on this side, I've got another USB, which I only got one USB on my Spectre, or Spectre, sorry. And then this one's got an SD card like my Spectre, and that's where the power goes, right there. So it's basically just like my Spectre. And how do I get this freaking off? Okay, it's like a bag, I guess. If my waitress comes back over here, I will ask her to help me undo this. Okay, I can't do it with one hand. I'm gonna see what I can do about setting it down like. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There. I'm just gonna throw this box. Wait, let me get some more stuff out of it. This box. Okay, this is just a power cord. And the other end of the power cord. That's it. I'm gonna throw that over there. Okay, this is the suckiest unboxing video ever. I'm sorry, but okay, so there's the power cord. And it basically looks like my it basically looks like the power cord on my what do you call it? I keep forgetting the name of it. I want to call it Spectre. Oh, Spectre. Got it. Okay, so let's open it up. There it is. That is it. And there was a lower model than this that I was going to get them, but it doesn't have a backlit keyboard like this one has. This one has a backlit keyboard, and I love the backlit keyboard because if you're working in the dark, the keyboard lights up where you can see it. And although this is only a 15-inch screen, it's got the full number pad. And I like having the number pad. That's handy. And it says you can use your smartphone to do reviews, videos, features. I guess you can use a pen with this, like my Spectre. So anyway, this one is like mine, where you can fold it backward. So you can totally fold it and use it like a what do you call it? Okay. All right, so there is the unboxing of the computer. You guys know what kind it is because I'm going to put it in the description and on the title. So anyway, there you go. Life is good. Hope you enjoyed this crazy unboxing video.